si Oscar Orbos po ba yung papalit kay Toby Nebrida, Sec?
Yeah. Oo, siya ang papalit. Nakausap na namin nung Sabado. At pumayag siya na pansamantala munang officer in charge doon as GM. So we're just preparing the papers. Titignan namin yung legalities. Pero sa ngayon, pumayag na siya. Inaalam na lang. Sabi lang niya, I won't stay there for long kasi medyo may edad na yung si former Secretary Oscar Orbos. Sabi niya, he'd rather want to stay as chairman instead. Kami naman pumayag on our part. Sinabi namin na sige sir, pansamantala muna para lang magkaroon ng, kasi maraming empleyado nagre-reklamo doon. So yun, kaya namin pinagdesisyonan na si Executive Secretary Oscar Orbos muna mag-OIC doon.
So former Secretary Orbos will be OIC what?
OIC General Manager.
And at the same time,
if our legal will permit it, OIC, Chairman of PTV4.